get in there. I want no bullshit. You stay on my 6 at all times.
Oh my god, we got it! We actually got the diamonds, we actually did it. Thanks for watching Mr. John Francis channel. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated here.
The videos you just watched right now were generated by Google VEO 3, and this particular AI tool right here, you can access it from your mobile phone, you can access it from your desktop and tablet. All right, so all you need to do is to watch this video down to the very end, because I want to simply show you step by step on how you can simply get Google VEO 3 Pro version for free, okay, with their free version. And you can simply use this particular AI tool to build up your YouTube channel. You can go for Folktales AI channel, you can go for 3D animation channel, you can go for kids channel, you can go for movie channels and lots more, okay. And these AI videos are all monetizable. So without further ado, let's get into it right now. The first thing you need to do is to head over to your browser, and you're going to simply search for Google VEO. When you search for that, the next thing you have to do is simply come over to this section. You're going to see this is it right here, but this one is an ad. If you scroll down, you're going to see another one right here, okay. So there are a lot of them right here, so let's click on this one first. When you click on this, then the next thing you have to do is to come over to this section. This is where you're going to see the right website, and this is powered by Gemini from Google. All right, so you can see this is Google VEO 3. You can simply click on this try now to get the VEO 3. All right, but this particular version right now is not really available for free users, okay. So if you come over to this section, you're going to see we have the subscribe section. This is the VEO 3, which means you have to subscribe to start using this, okay. So for you to get that, just come over to this section right here, click on try VEO 3, okay. Just click on it. When you click on that, it is going to simply take you to Gemini, all right, where you can easily go ahead and subscribe to. You can see this is a free version. The free version doesn't come with the VEO 3. That's why most people cannot access this if you're not a paid user, right? So all you need to do is simply click on this get started button. Okay, then it's going to simply take you to this very page. Scroll down a little bit, then click on this. This is what it said here. For this particular version, this one also allows you to use the VEO 3, but they said it's over 28,000 naira in Nigerian currency, okay. And this particular one right here, they're gonna give you 1 month free trial to start using it, okay, which means whatever you do here, you're not gonna be charged. So they said you can cancel anytime in the subscription on Google Play, and also you won't be charged if you cancel this, okay, after collecting your free trial, okay. And also this session right here, they're gonna simply send you a reminder before your trial end, okay, after 7 days. But right here, we're gonna simply click on this button, and I'm gonna simply add a new card, because these ones right here, they are not valid again. I don't use them anymore. I'm gonna add a new card right now and then continue this video. Okay, so from this session, I've already added a new card. This is it right here. This is a new card. Then I'm going to click on this continue. Okay, you can show right here subscribed from Google Play. All right, so they're going to simply redirect me from here. This is what they said here. You've got the Gemini Pro and more. All right, so with this, we can easily access the VEO 2, VEO 3, and lots more. Right, then click on go to Pro, and on this section right here, let's click on no thanks. You can see we have the video version here. You can see from here you can describe our video, and it's going to simply give it to us, okay. So this is basically how this works. All right, so describe your video. Let's say a police officer controlling road traffic in Lagos, Nigeria. Okay, then click on send, generating the video, This will simply take like a few minutes to generate. Okay, so let's wait for it. I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, go ahead and join us on our Telegram and also on our WhatsApp channel. Okay, so you can show right here, this is the video. See, the video is ready. Let's go ahead and play it. This video is 100% real. Okay, there is a noise, the background noise, and the traffic. You can see the police officer wearing Nigerian police uniform. So with this strategy right now, you can simply give it your own prompt and it will continue to generate this. And with this, you are already using the VEO tray just 100% for free. Okay, remember, we didn't pay anything. The free trial, they said that they're gonna give you 1 month free trial, and the free trial is already running, and I can continue to use this for like 30 days. Okay, and within 30 days you can generate lots of videos that you can easily publish on YouTube and monetize and start generating income. And before this expires, then you've already gotten few money from your YouTube channel, and you subscribe with the premium version and continue to use it, grow your audience on YouTube and earn passive income online. All right, so this is basically how to get the VEO tray free of charge. So if you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on our Telegram channel to stay updated on what we do here. See you in my next video. If you have any video requests, just drop it down in the comment section, then I'm going to simply make a video for you, specifically for you. All right, see you in the next one.